Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to guide you through the process to change your payment account on Google Play Store. So if you're looking out how to do so, you may just follow up these steps and you should be able to do it. Open up the Play Store application for that. And once you open up the Google Play Store app, you can look out for your profile icon in the top right corner and select it. And once you select it here, you should be finding a bunch of options available. You can directly look out for the option called payments and subscriptions and click on it. After you click on payments and subscriptions, you need to select the option for payment method here. You can find that option at the very top and tap on it. And there we go. Now what you need to do is in the section right here, if you'd like to change the payment account, you can just go over and look out for option to edit or remove if the payment method have been already added. And once you tap on it, you will be given an option to enter up your credentials. So you need to provide in your card number and then your expiry date in your CVV, etc. security code. You can just go over and provide it up and then confirm it up. And then you can just go over and follow up the prompts. And if prompted, you can even sign in with your Google Pay. And once it is confirmed, the payment method should probably be changed into your Google Play Store. And that is how you do it. Or even if not this, you can look out for one of the paid applications available in Play Store. And when you're going ahead and trying to use a payment method in that particular app, you can try changing the payment account by following the same process you did earlier. And that is it. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. You may follow up these steps for that. So thank you for watching this video and make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.